Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders. This is Abdurrahman from FXAutoReek.com, and here is what's on my Forex radar this July the 4th, 2016. Let's get started. Let us begin today with the weekly charts as we start off the first of the week. And we're on the Aussie New Zealand, and it seems as though that this particular pair is going to hold up at the 1.0455 level on the chart here. Now what we're looking for is a nice bullish candle to get us in off of a double bottom trade. Okay, double bottom trade off of the whammy off of the Aussie New Zealand. It is on the watch list. The Aussie CAD is setting up for a particular pogo trade. For those of you who are familiar with the pogo, we're looking for a pogo trade off of this particular candle here. This will be another weekly trade. It won't happen this week, but it'll happen next week. It is on the list as well. Let's go to the Aussie Swissy. Aussie Swissy 2 is setting up for a pogo trade off of this particular candle as well, off of the Aussie Swissy weekly chart. So another chart that is on the watch list. Let's move down to the Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie, another pogo trade. So it seems to be a week for potential pogo trades setting up. Let me just go ahead and mark it for you guys here. If you want to know about the pogo trade, you can easily go to the website at fxautoreek.com/FX forum. Great Britain. Euro Great Britain has pushed up above the support and resistance line. Let's see if this particular chart is going to give us a retouch at the a close retouch at the 81.93 level. May set up for a potential Acapulco trade as well. So many trades that are happening. Euro New Zealand. Potential Acapulco is there, as well as a pogo if the Acapulco does not look good for you. But obviously it's you're going to have some in the beginning, some resistance here at the 152.16 level, a minor support and resistance off of the daily chart on that one as well. Just to show you guys the euro dollar trade, just hanging in congestion. There isn't really much to talk about on this particular trade, but I know a lot of people are watching what's happening here. Let's go ahead and continue off of one of the other majors, the Great Britain dollar, the cable. This Acapulco went too far. Went too far for me. Not interested in this particular trade. Just wanted to show you guys what's going on the majors. Great Britain, US dollar, no trade setup, but just giving you a clear idea what's going on. And you have a movement here off of the New Zealand CAD. I think this would probably move back up here and do a MULO or double top on this particular chart. So it's also on the watch list, but a little bit of ways to go from the weekly perspective. Let's move over to the daily charts. All right, on the daily charts, let's look at the Aussie. The Aussie there has broken out of congestion and out of the ranging box that I have drew in last week. So it has closed above the 74.40 level. We look for a retouch back to the box for confirmation and a push back up towards the 75.71 level on this particular trade as well. Aussie New Zealand is in a squeeze play here as I drew this trend line, looking for a squeeze play on the Aussie, either up or down. Its hand will show in the next couple of days. Great Britain dollar just ranging down here in this level again, ready to draw a box on this one as well. Just ranging, nothing to show on that one. New Zealand dollar moving up on a particular take it right here and I'll put the trend line here. and see if it maintains the status quo here for that one as well. U.S. CAD, same thing's going down. Looks to be pushing down. The dollar showing some weakness on all pairs, on most pairs as well. And last but not least is the yen. On Friday, a reversal or retracement back towards the 102 level. Interesting to see what's going to happen with this one as well. No naked price action trade is in play from off of the daily charts and or off of the weekly charts. That's about all I have, guys. Excuse me. I'll keep you guys updated. Remember, Monday will be a slow day. The U.S. markets will be closed, so don't expect much to happen off of the after the European session is over with. You guys have a magnificent day on purpose, and we'll talk with you soon.